Hello everyone, welcome to all. Subject Industrial Engineering, Chapter Inventory Control, Topic Question based on shortage or stock out model. So students, today we are going to discuss a topic in which we discuss a question which based on shortage or stock out model. Please read question. In a production system, annual demand is 6000 units per year. It is a capital D, which is it? Units per year, 6000 units per year. And purchasing cost is 40 rupees per unit. It is a capital C. And ordering cost per order, C naught is 500 rupees per order. And holding cost, CH is 8 rupees per unit per year. CB is nothing but shortage or stock out cost is 20 rupees per unit per year. Determine first of all optimum order size, second one is a optimum number of unit back order, third one is optimal total inventory cost. What is the optimum order size? It is nothing but a Q star. Determine the Q star in shortage or stock out model. Optimum number of units back order, nothing but a S star. Determine the S star. And optimal total inventory cost, determine the total inventory cost corresponding to Q star. Okay students, so let's solve it. First of all, return some given data which is given in the question. The annual consumption of item capital D is 6000 units per year is given. Purchasing cost C is 40 rupees per unit is given. Ordering cost C naught is 500 rupees per order. Okay, and CH is holding and carrying cost is 8 rupees per unit per year. And shortage or stock out cost CB is 20 rupees per unit per year is given. First of all, determine the economic order quantity or optimum order size. So we know that in the previous session we discussed about the EOQ of the shortage or stock out model and calculate the one formula here. Directly apply the formula. The formula is under root of 2D C0 by CH into under root of CB plus CH upon CB. Okay students, putting the value in this formula, 2 into D is 6000 units per year, C naught is 500 rupees per order, CH is 8 rupees per unit per year. Be carefully on the units. Here the CH in years and capital D in years. Okay. Under root of CB. CB is 20 rupees per unit per year. 20 plus CH is 8 rupees per unit per year. Here the units of CB and CH is same. So add both things easily. What is the CB is 20 and calculate this term and how much the Q star is output. The 1024.68 units. 1024.68 units is your answer. It is approximate 1025 units is a optimal order size in the shortage or stock out model. Clear to all? Second one, optimum number of unit back order or shortage out or stock out. It is nothing but S star. In the previous session we was discussed about the optimum number of the shortage units is nothing but the Q star into CH upon CB plus CH. Putting the value of the Q star is 1025 units. Okay, And what is a CH? CH is 8 rupees per unit per year is given, and CB plus CH. CB is 20 and CH is 8. And calculate this data. So how much as a star is obtained? 292.76. Approximate 293 units are shortage or stock out. 293 units are optimum number of units which is in the back order. Clear to all? How to calculate? Third one. Determine the optimal total inventory cost. The total inventory cost corresponding to a Q star. We know that in the previous session we discussed about the total inventory cost corresponding to the Q star and determine one formula. Here direct apply this formula is under root 2D C0 CH into under root of CB upon CB plus CH. Putting the value under root of 2D. D is 6000 units per year is given. C0 is 500 rupees per order and CH is 8 rupees per unit per year into under root of CB. How much is CB is given? 20 rupees per unit per year and CB is 20 plus CH is 8 rupees per unit per year. Calculate this data. So how much is your total inventory cost? It is obtained rupees 5855.4. 5855.4 rupees is your optimal total inventory cost corresponding to the Q star in the shortage or stock out model. Clear to all students? How to calculate the economic order quantity in the shortage or stock out model, and how to calculate the optimum number of the unit shortage or back order, and how to calculate the total inventory cost or optimal total inventory cost. Remember this formula. This all formula is very important. So in the question is directly formula is applied. Thank you so much for watching. To be continued in next topic.